Welcome, intrepid explorers. Prepare to be whisked away on a virtual journey through the enchanting of Iran, where history and culture intertwine in a symphony of beauty and wonder. As we meander through the ancient streets and vibrant bazaars of this magical city, let your imagination soar and your curiosity be piqued by the treasures that await around every corner. From the majestic architecture of its mosques and palaces to the fragrant gardens that bloom with poetry and romance, Iran beckons you to immerse yourself in its rich tapestry of sights and sounds. Join us as we uncover the hidden gems and untold stories of this captivating destination, and let the spirit of Iran captivate your soul. Like, share, and subscribe to embark on this unforgettable adventure with us. Let's dive into the wonders of Iran together. Sajad Boulevard is probably the most famous street in Mashhad and is considered one of the most prosperous areas of the city. This old neighborhood was settled during the First Pahlavi period, and with green and spectacular gardens owned by Hussein Malik, it announced its existence among the nobility of Mashhad. With the increase in public interest in this street, the constructions increased, and by the 1950s, there were almost no gardens and fertile land left in this place. Today, Sajad Boulevard is one of the most expensive and at the same time busiest streets in Mashhad, and has become a place for sightseeing and shopping. Luxury shopping malls and famous clothing brands and world fashion are mostly present on Sajad Boulevard in Mashhad, and have turned this street into the business center of Mashhad. At first glance, everything here is glamorous and attractive, and if you don't have limits to buy from the expensive centers of Sajad Boulevard, you must visit them.
going home.